Bây giờ là 10 giờ 10 rồi, 10 giờ hơn rồi ha. Đó, hôm nay là ngày là rớt tuyết và đông đá. Very cold. Let me see temperature hôm nay là the temperature (26 degrees) ha. 26 feel like 11 degrees. Low 21. Snowing right now. It's snow. Snow. No car on the freeway. No car. No car at all. Very cold. Very freezing. Very slick. Rất là trơn trượt. Very slick. Very cold. Another side they have some car. Very few. 1, 2, 3, 4. The most of the 18 wheel, the truck, and the car they push shots on the freeway. Đổ muối. Rất là very cold, rất là lạnh luôn. And tomorrow they very low. Tomorrow colder. Tomorrow very cold. No car at all. No car. No car, no car. Wow. The highway. This side right here, this side, right side of the road, there's no car. Not many cars in the freeway. Keep driving. Keep driving. No car. Today is a snowstorm today. Hôm nay có bão tuyết hôm nay. Yeah. Bão tuyết hôm nay rớt tuyết. Rồi chiều tối nay nó sẽ freezing, nó đông lại. Rồi ngày mai nó bồi thêm tuyết xuống nữa là đứng cứng ngắc luôn. Là freeway là cannot ride, the freeway cannot ride the road, cannot ride the bridge, cannot ride nowhere. Better stay home, safe, ở nhà an toàn. One car the right side already. Maybe car die. Xe hư máy rồi, chết rồi, hết chạy được rồi. Where are people? It's very cold. Okay. Thank you for watching. Snowstorm today. It's Saturday. Saturday, January 24. It's 10:07 in the morning. Okay. Thank you everybody. Give me subscribe and give me the like. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Stay home. Be safe. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.